Hi, in this particular video, we'll see how to randomize the items in a list. Okay, so for that, what we can do is we'll just try to define the list. We'll just give it some elements in a list. We'll take an example. So list is equal to 32, 100, 125, 98, 175, and 34. Okay, so we have defined the list and we have given some of the elements for the list. Let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now we want to randomize the items in a list. Okay, so that means we want to randomize these elements in the list. Okay, so we just want to shuffle those elements. Okay, so for that, what we can do is we'll just try to import random. This is the library package which we need to import if we want to randomize or shuffle the elements in the list. Okay, so we'll just try to run this. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll just try to randomize the item. Random dot shuffle of these particular elements in a list. Okay, so we'll just try to run this, and now we'll just try to see the output of the list. So before it was 32, 100, 125 and all. So now we'll just try to run this. So now you can see the elements in the list have been randomized. Okay, suppose if you want this output, you can just so before it was 32, 100, 125, 98, 175, 34 and all. So after importing the random and we have shuffled the elements in the list, finally when we see the output, so here you can see all the elements in the list have been shuffled. So this is how you can randomize the items or the elements in the list. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for more.